Hello everyone, new video at Wealthy Primate. In today's video we are going to talk about TIA or Celestia, and we are going to jump to talk about Bitcoin briefly. So we are now on the weekly time frame, and I remember TIA, I sold everything actually at around here at $4 or $5, and it was with a loss. And I just took this decision because I've seen this coin only going down, and I think I did well. So the price went down all the way down to 25 cents. So I saved what I could save. But for now, this is the weekly time frame, and as I said, and we see that now we kind of started to gain some momentum here at the bottom. But the thing with TIA is, I think best case scenario, if we make some type of consolidation or accumulation down here at 50 cents or 40 cents, is we go back to $2.2. I don't think we will exceed 3.3 or $3.4. So I think this will be the run of TIA if we ever get one. Of course, everything is possible in crypto, but I think there is other coins that have a better chart than this one. So we see this one, it has been a cascade since January 2024, and the price now is basically at the bottom. So if you want to get some and grab some, I think you could get around here, and we will go on a lower time frame to see a best area to buy TIA. So this is what I think about TIA. I think from this price that we are in now, it can 4x or 5x at most, I believe, if we ever get lucky. I'm not talking about myself. If you ever get lucky, because I sold everything with TIA and I don't believe in this project anymore. So this could be another target for TIA around $7, 7.5, starting from this actually resistance. So it can go all the way up here, $7, $9, but this is I don't want to give you hope, but this is a better exit point. It's better than the price goes up here, then you keep holding your TIA, then it goes down again. So if you want to hold, okay, you can hold 30% of what you have, or even less, 25% or 20%. But if I was one investor now, I would just exit right here if I got early, meaning at 40 cents. So if we go on a lower time frame, 1 hour time frame, we see that TIA now is actually started to make some move, but it doesn't matter. On the bigger time frame, we still bearish. So what I expect now, I think price of TIA can actually reach these levels higher, especially if Bitcoin holds the 77k and we see some inflows in altcoins. If Bitcoin decides to dump, this is where you should enter TIA. From 35 cents to this level, or this cluster that we have here, so much trading volume happening here. If this doesn't hold, this is your second entry point. If it loses this one, it's a game over. You don't have to buy this shitcoin ever again. I did the analysis of this one just because I have been asked to do it. Some people that are still invested in Celestia, and it's not me, just some followers. Anyway, let's jump to Bitcoin and see what we can see. So for Bitcoin, we actually went below this one, and if we go on the daily, you can see that it was just a wick. And when it's a wick, it doesn't really mean that we lost this low, because as you can see, we closed above it. So we closed in $75,500, and now we have seen this type of reaction. But the thing is, I think this is just temporary. So we could see another pump around here, then price will fail to break this resistance. We have to wait and see what happens at 79k if we ever get there, because this could be some type of deviation like this one. So you get something like this later, and I think Bitcoin will go down eventually, even lower. So probably at these levels, 71k. So I don't want to be pessimistic, but this is my forecast on Bitcoin. This is what I think would happen. I think the price now will try to take these highs, okay, because there is liquidity here and some people are putting stop losses here, and if the price goes higher, those positions will be liquidated since everyone is shorting. So it's always like this when you're in a range. It's just a washing machine. You cannot predict which way the price will go. So this is the video about TIA and an update or a quick update on Bitcoin. Be safe and see you in the next one. Have a good day.